BabyGizmo.com. We're going to show you the Home Depot Talking Toolbox. Let's open it up. It comes with 42 pieces and including the toolbox. There's 3 wrenches, 2 screwdrivers, a hammer, a saw, stuff to build with, and a level, a clamp, a ruler. They're not real tools, but they're fun for kids to play with. Let's talk about the toolbox. Well, there's a clamp so all the tools don't fall out. Well, you put all the tools inside. Okay. Now then, after that, it tells you what a hammer and all that stuff does. It has a nice handle so I can carry it around. Kids, if you like tools, this is really fun. Get it at Toys R Us. Watch this. You can throw everything just in the box. That's it for me. I just wanted to show you the Home Depot Talking Toolbox. Bye. Wait, did you subscribe? Subscribe now.